We're back at the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and today we're giving the elephants a bath. These guys love to get scrubbed, which helps their tough skin. Get in there, Dad. Help me give them a good scrub. Fun facts. Elephants can be identified by their ears, and they actually sweat from their toes. Next we got into the river and let them spray themselves and us with the water. These guys love to play in the water. So what do elephants like to do once they're clean? Well, they love to explore the jungle and find more food to eat. But of course, elephants love to get dirty again. If you're ever in Thailand, then you have to come to visit the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. This is one of my favorite places in Thailand. The elephants are so friendly and I think you'll love hanging out with them. Be sure to donate and support the great work the Care Project Foundation makes. See you next time, my fellow travelers.